Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's simply scroll to find gestures and keys. Then let's tap on virtual keys and full screen gestures. And as you can see there, we've got on-screen 3-key navigation, which is currently applied. Of course, we've got 3 different keys which are responsible for particular actions. We can tap on more settings before we'll actually set the gestures, because as you can see here, you can kind of customize the 3 buttons navigation. You can reorder the back button and the recents, so you can personalize it just like you want to. If you want to set the gestures, just tap on this switcher at the top, and as you can see immediately, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some actions. Before I will explain it to you, because of course I'll show you how it works, we can enter more settings, and here we've got the options. Of course, as you can see, we've got the animation, so we can learn how to use the gestures, and we've got the back sensitivity, so we can set it lower or higher for both left and right edge. But to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to actually decide whether you need the sensitivity to be lower or higher. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and you can do it from the right side and from the left side also. As you can see, after swiping your finger, you will see this kind of arrow, and if you can see it, simply release the finger and you will go back to the previous page. Let's do it again from the left side. It works the same. If you want to get back to the home page directly, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, just repeat the gesture but elongate it a little bit. Hold your finger somewhere here like that, and after releasing you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.